Hi friends, today at Garfin's Creation we'll be making this very simple and very easy cheesy white chicken pulao. This recipe is not just simple and easy but also very delicious and tasty. If you have some boiled chicken left, this recipe becomes much more easier. You'll find the recipe in the description box below. So let's start with the recipe. I've just heated a pan and add around 2 teaspoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter into it. And as the butter begins to melt, I'll be adding 2 bay leaves, that is Tej Patta. We will fry the bay leaves for just a few seconds. There are just a few spices that go into this recipe. Next into this I'll be adding sliced spring onions. I have taken 3 spring onions and I'll be using the leaves later. I will just fry this onion for about a minute till they are just nice and soft. We do not have to brown the onions, just a little bit soft. Next I'll be adding 3/4 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and finely chopped green chilies. I have taken 2 green chilies here. You can add an extra one too for extra spice. I'll be frying all of this on medium to high flame for another 1 minute. Next into this I'll be adding 1 small capsicum which is sliced. If you like carrots, you can add long strips of carrot here too and fry it. After frying the capsicum for a few seconds, I'll be adding some boiled chicken. I have taken 1 cup of boiled chicken. I'll be also adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 Maggie cube, chicken Maggie cube here, and mix it all well. I have taken a chicken breast and boiled it with some salt. And once the chicken was cooked and cooled, I just cut it into small cubes. I'll also shred and use it here. Then I'll be adding 1 cup of Basmati rice. I washed the rice and kept it soaking for 30 minutes. Just give it a good stir. I won't be adding much salt into this as the chicken too has salt. So I'll just add half a teaspoon of salt here. And I've grated almost 2 cubes of cheese here, processed cheese, and added here. Since the cheese too has got enough salt, I've just added just a little salt into it. Mix this well and we'll be adding 1 cup plus 3/4 cup of water. We'll add the water just a little above the rice. You can also use chicken stock here in place of the water. If you're using chicken stock, just skip the Maggie cube and add the stock directly. Now gently give it a stir and we will just let it come to a boil. If you do not have boiled and shredded chicken, you can also use fresh chicken pieces, cut them into long strips and just fry it well before adding the rice. Once the rice starts to get a boil, we will reduce the flame and cover it and cook it for around 8 to 10 minutes. I have kept the flame now on medium and will cook it for around 10 minutes at least. So after 10 minutes, we can put off the flame and check the rice. The rice is almost fully cooked. I will just sprinkle some green onion leaves on it and will lightly mix it, and then we'll just cover it and let it cook in the steam for another 5 minutes. Put the lid on and let it remain there for another 5 minutes. And then our rice will be ready to be served. So our cheesy white chicken pulao is ready. I'll sprinkle some more green onion tops on it and serve it with some raita. Thanks for watching, and do try this recipe and leave your comments down. Also don't forget to subscribe to Garfin's Creation. See you soon on the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.